In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell jewelry on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and install the right tool inside Shopify to help you manage and sell your jewelry with confidence. First, open your Shopify store and head to your dashboard. From there, click Settings to access the administrative controls. Next, click Apps. This is where you manage the tools that extend your store's capabilities. On the Apps page, look for the option to open the Shopify App Store and click it. This takes you to a curated marketplace of apps that can help you run and grow your business. In the App Store, use the search bar and enter the word jewelry. This will bring up apps designed for jewelry stores, including options that focus on product customization, inventory management, and merchandising for jewelry-specific needs. Take a moment to browse the results. Click into an app that catches your eye to view its details. Read the description carefully to understand its features, check recent reviews and ratings to see how other merchants like it, and look at screenshots or demos to get a feel for the interface. If pricing is listed, review it so there are no surprises later. When you find an app that fits what you're looking for, select it and click Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen that explains what the app can access. Review those permissions so you know how the app integrates with your store, then confirm to continue. Installation usually takes just a moment, and once it's done, the app will appear in your Apps section in the Shopify admin. Now that the app is installed, feel free to explore it. Most jewelry-focused apps offer a guided setup or a dashboard that makes it easy to get started. You'll typically see tools to organize your collections, manage product options like sizes and metals, and present clear, high-quality images. Many also include features to help you set pricing, display variants, and highlight details that matter to jewelry shoppers. Take your time to click through the menus, check the help or support section within the app if you need it, and learn where to adjust the settings that match your store's style. That's all you need to get up and running. Open your Shopify store, go to Settings, click Apps, open the Shopify App Store, search for jewelry, choose an app, click Install, and then explore it to manage and sell your jewelry effectively. With the right app in place, you can streamline your workflow and present your products beautifully to your customers.